Build better balance with this beginner tap dance combination. That's what we're going to do in this video. Make sure you watch to the end so you can find out how to get the music and the written notes all for free. Before we jump in, let's take a look. If you're new, I'm Rod from UnitedTaps.com. Let's jump in and learn this. Starting with your right foot, you have dig, toe, stamp, step, 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 stamp. I'm going to do that again. 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3, up and 5. And right away, working that balance here, lean and back. So we're going to put that foot out as far as you can safely and really get the lean before you kind of fall out of it, controlled falling into that next part. I'm gonna roll that again. 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, step, 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 stamp, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe. I'm just doing arms for fun. You don't have to do the arms, go for the feet, but if you feel like you want to do the same arms as me, go for it. So again, that last part, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe. We're getting that balance right on the left foot. How am I keeping my balance? I'm gently tightening my stomach muscles, and I'm making sure my stomach is directly over that standing leg. If I do all that, bum, 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 I got great balance. That's the trick. Here we go. Connect it from the top. 6, ready, go. 1 and 2, 3, and 5, 6 and 7 and 8. Let's roll that a couple more times. 6, ready, go. 1 and 2, step, 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 stamp, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe. One more time. 6, ready, go. 1 and 2, 3, and 5, 6 and 7 and 8. From there on the right foot, step, heel, heel, step, heel, heel, dig, dig, step, step. I'm going to show that again. 6, ready, go. Step, heel, heel, step, heel, heel, dig, dig, step, step. Right? So for the step, heel, heel, my weight, again, right over that standing leg, gently tightening those stomach muscles so I have control. The dig, dig is a hard one. I'm really holding the stomach muscles, hold them up, and then across. Here we go. One more time, just that new part. After that, we'll connect it. 6, new part, go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Beautiful, my friends. Let's go from the top. 6, ready, go. 1 and 2, 3, and 5, 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. The tricky part is coming out of the step, heel, heel, step, heel, heel. You have to be ready to twist a little bit on the dig, dig. If you're thinking ahead, it'll be manageable. If you haven't thought ahead and you try to twist last minute, that's going to be a little dicey. Let's roll it again, top. 6, ready, go. 1 and 2, 3, and 5, 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. From here, drag, step, step, shuffle, ball change, step, shuffle, ball change. It's nice, smooth waltz clog. That's what I call the step, shuffle, ball change. It's nice and easy and smooth with a straight rhythm. Let's do that new part again from the drag step. 6, ready, go. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 7 and 8. Beautiful! Add it on from the top. 6, beginning, go. 1 and 2, 3, and 5, 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 7 and 8. From here you have right cramp, roll, step, dig, twist and step. If anything gets you or messes you up, it's going to be this part right here. So I'm going to show you that again. We have right foot cramp roll, step back. My weight is on that foot. I'm going to do a dig, but keep my weight on the back foot, and then I'm going to twist and step together. So back, dig, twist. Again, just that, and ready, go. Back, dig, twist. It ain't easy, but that's the point. We're working on improving our balance and control. Again, gently tightening those stomach muscles and keeping them over that standing leg, which is your right foot. Keeping it there will give you more control over it. Cool. Now let's go back. Right foot cramp roll, step, dig, twist. We'll put all those together from the cramp roll. 6, ready, go. 1 and a 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8. That's just your fun boogie, right? Bum, 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 da. Simple as that. Let's put it from the cramp roll. 6, ready, go. 1 and a 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8. And you're gonna hear that in the music. Bum, bum, bum. All right. Now, what did we do before that? We came out of drag, step, step, shuffle, ball change. Then is the cramp roll right now. Step, dig, step, heels, toes, heels. That's how it all connects. Now I'm going to count you in so we can do it together from that drag step. Right foot leads. 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 7 and 8, 1 and a 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8. How about we do that a couple more times? Same thing. Here we go. 6, ready, go. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 7 and 8, 1 and a 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8. Beautiful. Let's do this. Let's connect it all the way from top so you can see how it all flows together. 6, ready, go. 1 and 2, 3 and 5, 6 and 7 and 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 7, new part, 1 and a 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8. Beautiful, my friends. You know the whole standard combination. Let's do that one more time, and after that, we'll talk about running it with music. All right? One more time from the top. 6, ready, go. 1 and 2, 3 and 5, 6 and 7 and 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 7 and 8, 1 and a 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8. I lied. Let's do it one more time, and then we'll talk about music. So one more time from the top. 5, 6, ready, go. 1 and 2, 3 and 5, 6 and 7 and 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 7 and 8, 1 and a 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8. If you're having a good time, you're going to love our lifetime all-access pass at unitedtaps.com. You'll get to learn the extended version of this combination, plus you'll have access to tons of lessons and choreography and combinations in our huge tap dictionary. All you have to do is click on the link down below to find out more information. All right, let's roll this with music. The song is called The Tightrope, and we're starting at 16 seconds into the song. We're going to start at about 10% under real speed and work our way up to the real deal. You can do this, my friends. Let's give it a shot. You ready? Here we go. 5, 6, ready, go. Woo! Hey! Beautiful, my friends. That was the minus 10% speed. Let's roll that again, get a better feel for it. If your first run was rough, totally normal, give it another shot. If your first run was great, you're amazing, and now just dance it and enjoy it. All right, here we go. Still minus 10%. We are rolling. 5, 6, 7, go! Clap under the leg, that's the bonus. That's your bonus move. If you want to make it more challenging, you can do that. All right, so let's increase the speed. Now we'll be minus 5%. It's enough, you'll notice the difference, but hopefully not enough to throw you off. Here we go, minus 5, my friends. We're rolling. 5, 6, 7, go! Such a fun upbeat song. I like put this music on and I'm grooving. I like it. Cool. Let's do it one more time at -5%. Get good with that, and after that we'll boost it to real speed. Here we go. -5. 5, 6, 7, go! All right, friends, I'm turning it up to the real speed. You will notice a difference. Hopefully, it will all go well. Let's give it a shot and see what happens. We're rolling. 5, 6, 7, go! Lovely, my friends. Let's take a minute, just catch our breath. There we go. All right. We're going to do it one more time at real speed. After that, I'm going to let you try it all on your own. But this time, I'm still with you. Real speed. Here we go. Rolling. 5, 6, 7, go! Nice, 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 nice. All right, now is your moment. I'm gonna put the music on. I will count you in. You'll tap it all on your own. This is for you to see what do you know and what don't you know, and also to hear your sounds all by yourself. Sometimes we're missing sounds, or some of our sounds are scraping. We don't even know until we tap by ourselves, and then all of a sudden we hear them, which is good, because once we hear them, then we can work on fixing them. So this is all you. I'll be cheering you on. All right, my friends, let's do it. 5, 6, ready, go! Want to do those shoulders, right? Oopa, oopa, oopa. All right, beautiful. I'm getting carried away here. Let's do it one more time, all together. Last time it'll be great. It'll be fun. Enjoy yourself. The song's just a blast. So here we go. 5, 6, 7, go! Thank you so much for tapping with me. If you want to get the music and the written notes all for free, just click on the link down below in the description. Also down there you can find information about our lifetime all-access pass, which has a ton of content to keep you tap dancing and having a lot of fun. I, of course, am Rod Howe from UnitedTaps.com, making you happier and healthier through tap dance.